Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the search or the filter on the goods on search on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy, just click on it first, and here as you see you will find the explore page, the first one, and here you will find the search up right here, and here for example click here and you will find the goods, click on it. As you see right now, here you will find this filter up right here, and here you can choose the featured, the bestseller, price low, anything you want. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.